amorphous. It's my me first spelling nimbra. Amorphous. 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 It's a meaning name for.
Okay. Amorphous. Or say, it means lacking a definite form, shape, or clear structure. It's derived from the Greek word amorphous, meaning shapeless. It can refer to physical objects, scientific materials, or even abstract concepts like plans and organizations. So anything that lacks form or shape or a clear structure can be termed as amorphous.
Okay.
Indeed.
Yebenya sentence be afa ho amete for ada. Enti we no ase enenam say the nebulous ebaye. Enenam nebulous line. Aha, enti amorphous enenam nebulous. Yeah, enti we lack structure. O say nebulous no vague, yes. Enti no we no as a nebulous as a clear. Who can the insist so we no more of structure, any structure. Amorphous. It's here say benya sentence bia you be use mama etie for who senya etie and apple how it is used. So also common applications of the term. Say in terms of physical and figurative, no, it describes something shapeless or unorganized. Example, no, you might describe a vague floating cloud or a disorganized, loosely structured political movement. Exactly. I say I don't know you're amorphous. Now you really budget today. Yeah, bumper I say.
Amorphous budget.
Well structured. Oh, we didn't say Papa. Papa, you're looking forward to that too.
I think there are some sentences to say. Her ideas were still amorphous and unformed.
Okay. Because and nebulous, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. The constant hacks have left us all with an amorphous sense of dread.
But serious one.
Yeah. The constant hacks.
So it's got to do with the IT. That will be. It's
have left us
system. Yeah, hacking my failure. Just say, how to structure
exactly.
Yeah.
So we said the company's amorphous plan caused confusion among the new employees.
Okay. They say you huni tin huni nine. Assembly omudia by you husu. Amorphous.
Yeah. The writer presented an amorphous draft that lacked a clear plot.
For amorphous is the word. Yeah, the nebulous by now 2 other words there. Incarcerate. Okay, and the other one was.
Yeah, man. Just feel free.
Oh, but feel free. Abra, feel free. No, I am preparing consequences. So now, and never budget neighbor. More expectations. More cabin to them.
Budget.
Be fine.
I mean, it's not like whatever we are going to hear today we've not heard before. Be anywhere, a be new from it. You know. As usual, I can't but I think if there's something Ghanaians are looking forward to, they don't want to hear any additional the tax for ban and this let's almost say free or mind from time no mo share any year one, but as usual.
Ah,
Yeah, one, yeah, one. One. It's a kobo two.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Say almost prepare.
We the shed and yet giddy biasa, so exactly.
Budget, I'm reading budget from Titina. One common problem.
Okay.
Anything. Near GDP percentage inflation. Me and combat here. Mama the Ghanaian like nipa wo form no Ghana ni awo form kra na nti asese e kasa inflation akọ by 7%, 10%, 15% say ne pese e kire ne nti because what percentage na like understand e be any ho you say 10%, 7%, 20%, 10 minus plus 5 ye nti asese nti e be ya omuntimi emma ne mo naro ne ma down na ye ntimi nti asese and yes sir. They think that they are communicating, but they are not communicating to the whole Ghanaian populace. Just a group of people.
But certainly, it's a group of people they are talking to. It's not Obia.
Yes.
And Untina, Saya no Muria in Chechiremu Ebe Kosono. And wherever you are, also so I mean if we expertise womuna who owe to community to explain to them for them to understand that this is that because honestly finance minister bet me have general chire mu dey be on to me because all kasano unyem nkwa any audience investor you for so you
down it's not done
but I'm saying that we can't have a finance minister come to stand there to break things down for the common member. No, it can't happen. That's what I'm trying to say. So it is not their work, really. It is not. Oh no, but focus be into no. Who the NSA? Nia wakano, nia efane hono. I mean, say sikebi na yaka say the sikebi to hama a group of people here. Sa sector no, and then also muso muchire omunkrofo mu say we anyway. Say yaka say creative arts hearing from ministry no to agencies na was see to me chire mu say ni etwen baby e because artists na was see to me chire mu say ni etwen baby e because at the end of the day ya chiche mu na yes say na eba no them mayo is on paper.
Yes,
it's on paper. Inti afekura no mu be hwehwe sika no o mambo because in paper ni yes sika no wo ho na ye che there be o any swadi hunu any daso inti ni ye hwehwaba kakre bi na be hu say wo ho na ye che but really no dodo na we na ye need that so pese ye
but my more shocking revelation China and our part countries are more kasa and they most of the things China they explain everything in Chinese to the common Chinese person.
So the finance minister comes to stand there to explain.
No, in their local language, in Chinese.
No, I'm saying the finance minister comes to stand there to explain that.
Yes, but I'm saying Koso.
So, I say, or deliver budgets need on to me, but down, son. It will be the standard. Yeah, I had to say accounting. Yeah, was standard reporting.
No, you can't.
And no better and so we responsible not no. Sret me abasa actually chiremu. So I'm just trying to say that the expectation that the finance minister should come down for people to understand. No, it won't happen. It won't happen because that's not what's supposed to happen. Say no, any target really, but investor community. Or expect to say, or back figures now, woman who say, oh, Ghana, say, say. Into the way you know, na responsible, no, many why you need so
that alone should tell you, say, oh, minor yet, don't ever think, say, Abena has the interest of the ordinary Ghanaian at heart. That is the issue.
At the end of the day, they expect the common Ghanaian to magically understand what they are saying.
So they should listen and do the way. So where the say they accept number NCC ejuma wom. So
the question is that do they do it?
The agency is even more kind of malnourished comedy omo. Yes.
You see, things went
So
okay, no.
that is literally that's their job.
Yes.
You see, Chi Munim said ye free at night, no. Or mamba panchere. At night. That's how we call them.
And
but
they have different languages too.
Yeah.
Way it's not. It's NSH or Ghana na yetimuno. Aban bia ni ho a Ghana ni na asem ehia no. De ebeboa ma na nya sika. A sika no ye betimi adibi. Na ya nso ate but oba asetena ni mu a bibia ni ho no mu a ye kire say bibi koyi. And for the sake of politics intino de ne ho kire ne kora no obeba radio so obeka say yate banchebo so but okop marketer no wo su no patch oh madam ade de ne boy de that is on my ye fire ho to ye hu wo so let's just take it like that de bia me kasa Ghana ha mo bia anwene say ebeyeye bompa ye say ewrade be ma wo so anya abro de ahokire ne ekosoro a be bia standard of living ni bedru no nyame nso ma wo so wo botom nuru ho se de be ya you can live you can meet standard of ba so obeka say Erade Ghana na nyomenye yo nyame ti ase no eye collect bra collect do the politics ne kra de my infant baby empire na ye bo no e bi bo empire say erade boy yo erade hu ye mobo Ghana ma nye yo ma na enkrofo ku Ghana fo kro na so which say enimbe so that the rich and I say the influenced, they can stay there and get people to do yes sir, boss, director, massa, yes sir, thank you sir. It's anyway, but Mammy did me call for Sarah name for
Edina ho ding be your boss. The Radina coupon ebema wa coin aye pepe. Now, she's so team town for over to one. On sign which she could say will be real kum. A Radina coupon be count. Obey Mununkum fed doom eddy with she, no you jaffed doom account. It will be a ding out here, Radia, a rade in him tower. Radina or de Nensa a jane and ma a few fidisum for fidiamono. Be you a few fidisum for fidiapm. There be a plumbia to tum be BPM. A dear be our share in my chair, Rade de Bedomo. A rade Emma and Pija Embrauso. Not a rade Emma Ukuanima emuso. Yet you will see Uguamanimu Jenimo. A casa bonin count, no how me on to my time. When I'm quite back so bounce a baymua. When I'm quite would want so.
Why ye bebre? Ebusia for me mamu good. Good afternoon. Oh, so I said me pian good nephew baby naba. Hey Tuesday, 80. Udim said Abena Ruthy from Abena Ruthy. Esi. Enti abusia mejidi se wo hunye papa baby a wo bia wadwuma mu ho ufie mu ho school mu ho edwe mu ho oh business meeting na se na fe wo bottom mejidi se bia from nyankropo adomunti. I am blessed oh I am blessed oh blessings follow me. I am blessed. Oh, I am. Indeed, we are blessed. That was your for. Wow, name said time na do so no. Yes, Sompa. Daylight o'clock. I na yaji edra. And then no, you be too far. Ako personal branding chrome. Etiquette day. We mobi biya kwaba. Yankropon basaya domno we yiye ne amiye hunne dia ne dia ye ya eninkabia enebemma no mama ni won che scripture we Isaiah 43 verse 19 Or say, behold, I will do a new thing. Make a way in the wilderness and rivers in how to do something brand new. Or say, I'm making a road through the desert, rivers in the badlands. Yeah, the tree negu for my mission. Lady Joanne, just a be a tree na mention na menkai ye. Neno, over teachy. Or say share. Miriye adefo frubi. Afeina, eri fifi. So mebo sar so kwan. Mema insubonting aba anya pradada so. Hey, now pradada anyway, Lady Joanne. Oh, fear na mambo ni yam so facha me bato ati ase. Ye radi na ye som no. Ah, o ye no kwafo. Yeah, anti adwa kan twi ma we na we die. Svelte lady. And I see her color black and white. Me pacho yen kind of Prada na me here. I think the beginning there me idea about Prada na me huso. Enti. Shirt me ya de fofo bi. Afei na eri fifi. So we kuapem. Mebo sar so kwan. Mema insubonting aba anwea
Pradada.
Ayo. And I'm there say anwea Pradada. Desert, right? Nti anya pradada so okay nti pradada nya pradada Oh, this is what our God can do. Share sa situation be wo hona say if you say a bunkam so match say wunhunu ni awo ya. This is the word of God for you. Or say desert so and tembia ye ka say omo etu kwan fa desert so near there, even those who live there. And I say, I mean, Dubai kakra ye koya po hu desert safari no do fa so be hu say anwea pradada just anwea ho bibia. There's no a friend is saying growth of weeds was so or see obet to me edinsuo ato saa ho na we hu say opeso ka say he's able to do the impossible. And don't ever think that there's anything impossible with him. No. Unless say wadwene na ye ntanta. Of course, Bible aka say adwene ntanta untumi nya bibia mfiri rade ho. Enti se wadwene na sipidia ene na nyarehye say adekodina weni daso no wonsa beka. Issue na wom na wo feel say solution in ho no enim no wubenya because onwe rade a obokwan to baby akwan ni na ode insubontin to anwea pradada so no ono eni wunyame obetumi aye enti ne kwakoma to yem ha entete dabi. Just have that courage, just have that belief that this your God is able to do far more exceeding abundantly and above what we now obey. Odi international
prophetess, international woman of God, international woman, international Abena Ruthy to the whole Riasi.
And Tuesday.
Yes. Abena Ruthy to the whole Riasi.
Thank you.
No size.
Svelte lady.
Yes.
Moakwaba. No abem did I cheer me on your Prada. Anyway, yaba. Mumayenda Lexta Company Limited. I sit near the 3 butterfly school. So I sit near Muaking now, Mudomboye. Nayana, ya mami Auntie Adra. Auntie Akusia, Udini Auntie Adra. Me who no na combination no na saying a brim the very so.
No go na wedding no go.
Kaish.
Dey be any combination.
I tell you. Na a sauce pepper. When you boss alone say yes, many other combinations. Yeah. Ati akosa ye chao. Ebusuafo into Sompa delight. Meko.
Ane na ene wie eye Sompa delight.
Sister, share for Sompa delight you go.
Na sa de wachia o mama wachia ye nyina de aka. Wachia ye nyina ye me ensa de aka ho nti. Hey, asembe.
Easy o.
Tie for mpacho elder de no why.
Na ti ajo ade we obi ti o say want ti ajo o se den na wo ya. Me chero.
Hey, just me who kura na phone boko na ba ko ni breaks be me ensa.
Challenge easy o.
Hey, your friend will go explain tire.
Go explain tire.
Yeah.
Anyway, ye ja chia de let say quite a be we en couple caps corner. Na I just recalled Martha Obusa Enra say last Wednesday word no. That Obusa me boy, but tell me say one Enra na Obusa so na me refi nti me corner me kai nti makai de ba me once ba. Last Wednesday na ye objectify. Obeka ya da no Obusa ye former no. Nti ye objectify say u bu obi abomfia wo ye te so onyo bia. Into objectify. And sometimes why to me can say obi wo hold to me omu to me ebu massa like you almost say omu ye japade omu nka you know people treat some women like that. Into Martha objectify why. Are you ready for today's word?
Yes, yeah, ready.
And you're not bang.
Bang bang.
Yeah, the vibrato not bad. Me ma found by the other. Okay, so a familiar word. Impugn. And say IMPUGN. Impugn. Tienfa meaning ne metie for. Na ye was sentences be a yen share of yen kind of omu na afi. Yen twaso.
All right. Baby, answer na mekano or indicate something very important, of which I made that mistake, but it gave me the right spelling. I'll say impugn. To impugn, IMPUGN.
Okay.
And I'll say often misspelled as IMPUNE.
Oh, okay.
The reason why I means a profound essay means that is how I spelt it.
Okay.
That's how I spelled. I spelled impune as in IMPUNE.
Okay.
First name I dream say impunity. Impune. So and I'll correct him. So let's take note.
Into spell be your mom.
Impune. Where near come was
yeah.
And near IMPUGN. Impune. Jane silent, you don't pronounce it.
Yeah.
Intia. Question. Or attack something as false, doubtful, or wrong. That's it.
That's it. Intia nya sentences be in favor. Menya ba we have. Or say the lawyer tried to impugn the witness's honesty. Intia said the lawyer tried to challenge the witness's honesty. Impugn. To challenge munya fofra na mo de aba ina yento aso.
I think the lawyer need na but also
she felt her professional ability was being impugned.
I said we name nia
yeah
na obi so chere say
it's not that
so say tesi and they say bia wo ye decor bia na wo ye painting bi no bia ba no nim ade kra wo ye so kra na che say obe impugn yeah, oh yeah, into to challenge into impugn. 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 Into Abusa for 7 in what you got to do. Monju su. Yen twaswe. Odi.
For example, bio.
Yen shen somewhere trendy. So for some time now, fancy gadam. Why cool?
Why now, Abena today also? Yes, and catch it.
Mystery.
Why now, Abena?
In the fancy gadam, yet and catch it. Obey, beautiful name, one no money at the end. Patu ranking, Mr. Easy Nesha Kawali Kwame Eugene. na kwa kakra na yehu baby efa yehu ya ne se wayiram but nyame adom he is back and this time round no one ye Nigerian duo sese a wo mo entomati na ne P Square for asem wa ha enti on Rude Boy omo aye collaboration for omo title no I don't need you enti and I say hey now are you guys sure say enye eyi ekrofo ntokwe na wo so person mo de mo hokoro one person mo de mo hokoro maybe so the music video is out, the audio is out and Adasa Cookie yenyina yenim popular music director e Nigeria ono na a directive video no enti they are asking say oko platforms ne so online na now so wakwa share no stream bi na etumi abo enti mo amose mo afi fancy gadam no why be say I marry you beautiful next day and you are ugly enti mo amose mafe no monko check it na or the new one be about between with Rude Boy na monche said ye no so ebeko
nice fancy. Congratulations
fancy gadam dear no na minim samenko Nigeria na memro okay we dey mamenko ye abonten de na yembra fie Ira Star Nigerian Afrobeat sensation yenyina yenim Ira Star na assemblies woni nua bana brabo mo a bit sad because nkofo bi ko attack in a car SSA Ira Star ne sister car no
oh no
damaged car and the money yan wan kakra ne say whilst the boys no according to her no ogidi pass area boys bi na ebeye saade no now whilst the confrontation was going on nyina no more bo Ira Star Ira Star get out of the car come out from the car you know enti amani sister no ehun ni say she wasn't the target because now woman say Ira Star na
okay
enti for some time now no according to her no omo can security one some Lagos ho aka but I say to say Accra I mean Lagos is one of the biggest cities their capital so one of the big major cities what Nigeria uyi Abuja e di free honoma Lagos baako enti no I to say the yenso yete nkran hanum say ya de bia ye ka akonfo ho asem wonam no obi age wo bag wonam no obi di tu akwakosi wo so obi kratimi fa wo ka mebu ha uba obefa kra na nipa no kromfo ana bibi yete sa you know sa ne ma no ekoso pa omonso yese sa Lagos ho de kire say nka Ghana hakora ye sa Lagos ho no yese boy nyume said ya ha 10 11 12 1 na nkrofo ne na montinu timi ko hyemu a ko enjoy ho ana waba beda no da bi o ho ne the state ni bi wo ho kora ebo no nsi a wontimi mpia bontin because upia especially Lagos ho no ha adwene enti this is a wake up call say bia say nka omo ye ne boni bia mistaking her for her sister say boni bi no omo de ye na anka bia enenye ne say yete he ya ye kan even though a sad situation but bia it could have been sadder than this enti no they should check and address this whole issue ho no na eno so enti mi emwa so that's what happened to DJ Salt of Life Ira Star ne sister enti eno so ena me de amawo no na wonim se enura me boy yes sister Vicky James din wa ha na event a woni ni kunu ekoye wo be steady a since o mo ware yi sister no wo mpie enko baby a ni kunu nka ne ho awo so birthday party o then you TV interview baby Vicky James beko no oni ni kunu na eko enna omu call pella wedding eba yi omu post videos ni bi enna obi be comment wase say na Femi Vicky James ni kunu your friend Femi na bra Femi do you even have a life of your own like
na be our manager
it will bet me a ko baby Ana ye betimi invite you we betimi. Do you live alone? Do you even have a life of your own? That's literally what I'm trying to ask.
So and the manager there say was what.
Do you have a life of your own? And now yes, Sister Vicky James and soon for say almost there yeah negative comment there. Don't react to it. I'm for you, but Vicky James you be reacting. It was about reacting. Nipanda was sending a message and say her husband doesn't have a life of his own life. And whatever goes on in her husband's life and also don't e koso wo no so na brabum enti ene ubewu
two shall be one.
because omo ya ware for
Yeah.
enti no say bibi whatever ye ni kunu no eye ono.
Yeah.
This is what she has chosen to do. Enti allow her obi eni wo obetimi de na no abesesa what she wants to do. Enti critics no ya munsusu nka enti eno so ho asem eno na ene enye easy wo comment section ho.
Oh bro nsem so.
But I feel that sometimes just allow people to be. I mean this whole nipa ne manager. But people don't know whether Femi is Vicky's manager or something. And Vicky was Vicky. Before our reunion, what I say. I say people want to say or they or person or turning Kununu into celebrity be by force for something he's not ready for. Be enough Femi cry, he's not there. Out in bebre, you know, public figure. They be na camera that also camera that be a crown won't pay. But obey into
mo how they say.
It's munja or mono live your life. Na sister Abena enra ade bi koso internet and so nchichu pa Facebook ameni anje ho. Enye I think it's high time we should give people grace. Ye nyina ye ni makwaboa enye ne. Enti why do you think say his teacher ana say esa wasesa completely because wa worry? Ada worry no eye your friend is saying sa panye ne ye won wa ye kese no. No.
And they almost say oh
and they are like, hey, it's like something is wrong with Akwaboa, but he doesn't want people to know. He doesn't want to say it. Ebi abekom kra no oba na tete na waware na say so now I say omware 2 years muni. Our rain is still too young. And especially for a man to come out to say ebi na warrior enkoyere ya na edin kakra ye man no na mpepi no etai eba bontin on our real issues. And some people in their whatsoever minds, I feel say Akwaboa is not enjoying his marriage and he cannot voice out because mo feel say afekra na so etimo. It's not right. Send you and other then the cosmos or no.
Only nipa kese why say ya.
I must know my wife. She takes good care of me. O mama aduane di bibia me pe bia wo de mama enti enye momo asam na amo ka no na me betie but aside he trying to counter bia wonnim de ekoso enye se bia mpo wonnim enye ma bebre. I remember HIV ambassador ya Lady Kokoya ne niama kesi akesi Joyce woman. Good. Where is she? Anyways. Now I remember some time be community be na gay see internet so no ye videos no ye no ke kan sam no ye niema no say girl we dey na say send na etwe ene be hu say na Joyce. Niema some traumatic experiences be na war fam no na hard dream but nkrofo ba can whatever they felt at the time say nunti na ama no yes niema no we so you don't know wo share obi no onipa no wonim ne dada bia no wo wait kakra se sia ne so ate wonim de ama ne so ate adwoa me de first ne de na nye sei na woti o ada na wo so ate sa wo share obi na ne mu apagya kakra maame na ba ko pa wo ye no wa to say any oba wo miensa and you see we say these things just like as a agro kwan so me momu die me obeka sa afem ne kire me a maybe you will not like my response because yes
Adwa I think was it 2 weeks ago and I said last week and 2 weeks ago na baby amete no ya gata we fie ni
Okay.
Nti me fa car nra inside ti na park.
Okay.
Ti me park o washing baby we fie echi. Ti me bed my machi a. Aji se me nante ko okofa. Ti we na me ko no madam fu bia me mate bia me hu na che. But those days no you be a
mode.
Nti me share no swati. Din komo we ya na ja ekoi. Me share na machi no ko jogging no. Like or walk it.
Okay, or work it out, okay.
Me hu no. Or work it out. Ebia omuso ye kese do nti tina anyway successful. What's I mean hu no ko work.
Yeah, help.
Ukumu na yi nkasa. I mean, people tell me that all the time.
And those things,
I don't spare them.
Yeah, those things. One obenya kugudra won't spare, but obi wo hoso.
Abako share them kwa so obenya.
Ashene so akele the self confidence kakra wo no nti no emeye mpentem mu atai. Dabi. Just take your time. Take your time. You never know. First no na me who ma omu je omu afusa ye ma minimum ya those times. I mean, when I was much younger, I wonder. Growing up, I understand. Oh, I understand.
Yeah. Hey,
because get the woho, nioma woho, I obey to me the chim. And no bia na obey to me aye. And that is why some will resort to other means of getting trim. Yeah, dear no.
In Runo,
Masa.
And also dear.
Wouldn't you be dear? Dear Kwanutum.
Yeah.
Kwanutum. Wow, Kwanutum.
So
issues baby we are
those of you with on Akwabwano, Munyai. So that's it. My last story, say and it's a free year issues in a bar, Dan K ne
to be ex-husband. Okay.
So I mean, I can even say her husband because that's exactly what I'm going to talk about. Wabe magana fo nyina hunu say one and a wife, they are not divorced.
Baba, no baby, no.
So
that's the report.
So officially, they are still legally married. Just that they are not living together and they are not in touch. As in, a kind of inkitahudi anymore. But he was surprised. He said, "Oba, wawari go and finalize ye NC ye no. Utimini be ma foforo. Eshe hotel se wa asan kura wa ma no. Enti no. And I told you the other time, say your generation we no. Mpacho entese face no. Eni ma obibeti helter secretars. Bibia scatter. So wo kokoshe amanfo adwenche efa dan K comments ne ho.
Yeah.
It will tell you we are damaged.
Oh, you know, condemn no.
Bema de woni bema wo ho on treat you nicely, on treat you well. Obani yes wo movie on kakra bi wo hu se niema lady na shase na nije. Obana nije ase wenye ni papa bi a o ma na nije kakra kakra bi a na mema na ye jealous.
And the comments there.
Now, Oma ye jealous because in the eyes of the public, no, Dan K and a gu Anita warrior, like Omegu Oma warrior. He's the cause of the divorce.
That's what they're saying.
But ye the cause of our warrior, no more muja ye nim.
I own the ye mobo and they say, Omo warrior.
Omukura no make us no more.
Aja warrior. Bedroom asem enye ni na obetimi even issue ba asembe wo na we biti about the bush no asembe sinechi na we biti about the bush na wo awutie no asem dey say nya asem not but
the asem potin
pa na etimi nya de be enka entina we shouldn't be quick to pronounce judgment. We should be quick to ma conclusion of people's issues. So who go inside there you don't know what is in there.
The echo so ewo internet and social media ni ade e na chese konkonsa time yi me de abrɛ mu no nti wankasa wo fie wuti and I'm sure you've judged for yourself. Where you and I were not there. You and I were not there.
You and I were not there.
So mpacho Maminya birthday back could be na
Okay.
So this birthday is coming from Mame Yabrago. Mame Yabrago and it's yemfa special happy birthday Emma Samuel Eko Afo. Samuel Eko Afo. Dodo noa efro Pluto. We ejuma ewo makola but what a Tantra Hill 9th Avenue eho ena wo. Inti Mame Yasi yankancho say odo wiye pa enti eko ena eda ye Facebook page no so no ye ma awoda pa nyame nkosro no nhiraw onti na nimu nhiraw na oma afi celebration no enye kese o say osombo mane ye pa na osre nyame ho adom ede ma nti Mame ya abrago ese ye ma happy birthday Pluto na Mercury way. So Auntie Abrampacho maybe
UDSC Auntie Ajwa svelte lady that's papa and now diva ko pay that's mommy special birthday na yenko. In fact, me 2 birthdays but mommy first one we emodu nti mama fambra or say happy birthday to Dickness Mrs. Isabella Kwansma Blay awo akosombo na say God bless you beyond human imagination. She say enshirano emunka moso ai Mrs. Isabella Kwansma Blay Weifi wa sister Kwansma aka Aketesia Eish I Sompa 106.5Fm Accra administrator Auntie Sister Kwansma Aketesia or say Mrs. Isabella Kwansma Blay happy birthday Nyankropon on show. Now yes I was some delight so it is special one it's here to Emma Yamin show papa. Okay, Auntie, let me do this other one. Lady Joanna, I hope you have this. So happy birthday, in fact 40th birthday to Mia, my sister. Oh, okay. Me information on here. All right, Jilan, you be way later because St. Augustine I'm sending me spiritual message. I was here for Mama Minkoso under Lexta Company Limited. I say I omunomu produce Yas toothpaste, any Yas toothbrush. Na me say to meet na hanasi ye kasa srena yes yeah it says sricha o ma me show ko Facebook Sompa 106.5 FM Accra na ko show be hu sina make ho asem no svelte lady die ni elder die ni abena misumi die ni de nyina ya toothpaste nti no say won use bi am pa show but modia akona ko pe bi o say for hygienic healthy living always choose Yas toothpaste and toothbrush. Na pebia baby. Sa shop ne wo dine na ko ude busa no ka che mame me pay Yas toothpaste and papa me pay Yas toothpaste ubenye bi. Me pa cho etu form free Accra number yi se mo wa Accra 050 161 9588 050 161 9588. Now we Kumasi away now be free 050 139 0338 050 139 0338. 3 butterfly school. Auntie Akosikebio. 3 butterfly school. Ebusia upe school offer British and GS curriculum and ye 3 butterfly school. Obedi 3 months to 5 years eha ena ubenyantete pa entitia che say ema kra ne ye outstanding no ye very confident eha ena ubenye bi wa ama no enti bomode afa ubako ho muso mu ye summer school from 3rd to 31st August. Na omu location here 8 Papa Street, East Legon, Malcolm Ninche, what is a woman Malcolm Hona, Obe who say 3 Butterfly School, Homu Woho and Opebia 6:30 a.m. Na 6:30 p.m. Wakwa kofa but na parents no omo app bia ye de ma wa obetumi dia monitor ne ekoso akora na brabo mu say yes sa ne diaper say ye ma na aduane say order so di agro ni nyina woko Facebook a obehu omo video a etwagu ni nioma e wo ho ne ade nye easy ye de abrochi abaga na mesra ma obanko ho no nya ntete epa omo number ni fana firm 0556 094071 0556094071 na website near www.3butterfliesghana.com email no 3butterfliesghana@gmail.com 3 Butterfly School say we learn, play and grow. Aha no musi bin kankan won say wo ba obetumi ehia swimming swimming na why taekwondo na wasai aye ballet aka ho abusia mommy enkoto ade mbra na say ye bye na Tuesday wunim ya the etiquette ebe bro auntie Meli me nko ama auntie Meli why ready nti pato tru book no pen na besia na anya bia wa send I'm interested to client service number na because by end of this week they na me close na ya fire list no na ya fire list no number ni say we refia ma mensa moma 0531 886 216 0531 886 216 Michelle Frey and I say send the WhatsApp naka I'm interested in training no na yemfa wonka ho na afei bibia enye kama mumye ntwa ye ho mra ye ba ye beto aso.
Hatia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wadi na kese party akese se mu pebaabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hatia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de enti e fe ni local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo tentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya bontine aduane edi yenye ni bisa dabi Hagia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyie ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo motena se no mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfa Hagia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyi Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hagia special local food pese wo fra eye 02463599921 02463599921 and as 05947972115 05947972115 na with them middle edurano pa wutimi to boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so ni se medie yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwimesima menya homka sentina ye bokoyi na medie me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush abuo me amasese menum so a enwunu anase de ehia me selfin me biem na wonhwa se mesi ayefita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and the medi hwimese entina wo se afei na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ni de ebo se ho ban demu ni nyina ema wonum ye sham oh yes and control yas herbal yas whitening and yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush abuzian chamfa se wo pedudu tu e won kran ha for Leicester Ghana Limited e was 050-161-9588 Leicester Ghana Limited and the yas toothpaste mo hodo and the brush abadwa so ababwa Mommies and daddies, do you know that education plays an important role in the development of your child? That is why you cannot settle for less. Introducing 3 Butterflies School. Say after me, 3 Butterflies School. 3 Butterflies School provide a safe, inclusive and stimulating environment where children learn through play. We foster a nurturing world where every child feels secure to play, bold to explore, and confident to express their unique voice. 3 Butterfly School is waiting to welcome your 3-month-old baby to 5-year-old child for a wonderful experience as they learn through play. We offer British and GES curriculum, and we have other extracurriculum activities like swimming lessons, taekwondo, ballet, and all the activities you can think about. Parents have access to an app called EYLOG that you can use to monitor every activity of your child so that you can know your child's development. Remember, the opening time is 6:30 a.m. and the closing time is 6:30 p.m. Wow, this is amazing. 3 Butterfly School can be located at East Legon, 8 Popo Street. Connect with us on 055-609-4071. Our website is www.3butterfliesghana.com. Email 3butterfliesghana@gmail.com. 3 Butterflies School. We learn, play, and grow.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV and Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwampo.
Onyankopon di fa wasra no ewiye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to take it to our Sompa First Service. Our home in TV program keke. Ayabra osro ni asasi hia. Ayabro Onyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Sompa First Service in Chawo Hun Hoda, a Yagada Kusi, if Yada Anopa, Anopa Munkusi, Anopa Musia. Fawudan na share densa, na erade beye.
Sa pepe rade be shira woyema wayemwa woyemma bibia fa ho bia rade be shira so Diana, congratulations on your new song. Yebeshim ente yebeshim papa. Ebusama wakwaba. So clock na it was na some delight o'clock. So now that everybody did say I was me go home school. Echa. Yeah, do etiquette corner. Now before then, no, you say, oye dowa wabo ne bien. Enti birthday, me sign afani bium because very very special. Elder Jerry making sure say especially in the why ye. So what I said, na ye, na ye. Enti yeah, got your birthday, no. I'll say happy birthday to Dickness Mrs. Isabella Kwansma Blay. Awo akosombo afeni no yensaka PIWC4 mo Mrs. Kwansma Blay onunie akosombo. Na message ni say God bless you beyond human imagination. We if you wa sister oba so no fe brony sana my friend no sister Kwansma aka Aketesia yes Sompa Accra administrator. Mame o sister say nyankropon on shroud bebre na yen Sompa delight for so ye de etiato I mean shroud. All right, into my main father's next birthday, na me be no say a co break no my main fa enka ho na say Auntie Meli asna say me say Auntie Meli me call am Auntie Meli no Auntie Meli asna say no fa etiquette me fa personal branding embrace auntie. A very happy birthday to Mrs. Margaret Ajwa Jesiwa Asari. I mia minia ene 40th birthday. Enti Ajwa me mau awoda pa yankropon onhra pa ontre wa hiemu no wa wonto ninsu pa engu no ba nyina so. Happy birthday. We if you busuafo ni nyina ho bia se me can say happy birthday. Nyame onhra bebre. All right, it's May we free holo afa yenko school. Ugu so register maka by Friday ni akate na afa yenya ye number na ye be training. Auntie Melissa beba ba share special personal branding. And then she said ya keke ni na obeka bi obeka bom ya man ne session no wa ye. Auntie akosia wo ho Elder Jerry wo ho mi abna me wa ha obia de ne de ebe ma free of charge enti I was so to be register. Auntie Melissa Abekwe did it. Me and my auntie Meli. Can you imagine?
Mame. Mejoso.
Bibi aboko.
Me adom. Bibi aboko. Mami find she being share envelope mo posti kakra. Emma misofo. Sa. Prophet Emmanuel Perry Apple. Baby obi michiano. Nini who can you odi ni birthday.
Oh, okay.
Last week.
Wow.
Na mishani pa onya na kuma so di ni amano. Mrs. Priscilla Perry Apple.
Okay.
And my dinya. Twin sister ba kope. Esther Bikwe. Baby obi Yami unshaw.
Amen.
Na me chia telefonia. Me jidi say Sompa omutie nti omo ho ye.
That's right. Special one to do they do.
Ai me chia no me hwe nenim pa say obeba me hwe nim say obeba a workshop na say na me jidi say obeba to do they do ye be share ho. America creating na you started personal branding.
That's right.
Na before I mention say no. Na minim so what me can tree say.
Oh, me yire ho kakra.
Ba ku bia kan o kan ye den papa.
Pradada.
Me share ya na word no kon awofom.
That's why me dey be disclaimer.
Oh, but why are they? Anya.
It's me try me ma draba, na titwi. Oba no be chire.
Odom kakra. Na o de ka. Na minim so nim kan ka dade na me kan you know.
Uchi no.
Me verse no ka o de ko twi mu mami. O why are they? Me tie na omo tonton tofe no metwa me ho.
It's way to me and
me frɛ ba ko top ma why are they? Mo.
Enkechi.
Sane ye kan the trosem na ka Matthew 16:13 to 16 no. Yesu ebisa say na mumu susu say me ne hwan no.
Okay.
Na o person hu say na branding wa branding no wa ba nipa asasi so no or branding mutinase ana.
Okay.
Nti yes by definition I can say ye suban bi ana niye bi a waheda wo ye say na be down with unique self and a skill bi a wo to the whole world and right. To the whole yes. Na you say a collective perception nkofo wo found by importance you say a building credibility no trust help you mouth stand out a create opportunity amount so the wo took in control of narrative no.
That's right.
Na ye buy a cry because say if you are not defining your brand and as a one shade nipa suwa wo ya nkofo bebo mutimpo
sir
no more bibia ashe ho amount.
That's right.
And yes and so ba say increase on confidence level expand your professional network differentiate you from others and increase your visibility and influence. Yes, even as a student, so all practice personal branding. Or your professional cry, so all practice ample entrepreneur. So esa wo practice na ye ba types of branding say ye nima ye influencers or brand ambassadors ha na esi but e cut across.
That's right.
Personal branding no the else when so ade hu anasa o professional anasa o audience ebetima boa wo ama wa branding hu na way.
Okay.
Nti ye ba types of branding you say personal branding and put thoughts leader brand ewo ho ye wo creative brands to say na wo ye nyumtunyi ewo ho omo ye MCs ni ahodro ewo ho entrepreneur brand influencer brand we na agidin wo Ghana pa lifestyle brand wo ho academic brand community builder brand ewo ho ena ye ba say wo person wo ye brand then na element be na be woman and I say be woman e be build a strong personal brand and then na wo betimi da keka woman wo benya strong personal brand na say say authentic say unique and clear purpose and vision ma we ni so ade no hu no enye clear mean kanisa
and my ni na ho
en mo
so clear they need da ho
enye consistent enye consistent na credibility ni expertise empo strong
say manage to say wo ya toaso na ye
patrai empo strong communication skills say communication skills no top notch visibility reputation cry factor adaptability and continuous growth and continuous growth say tembia wusua de menka so na mi wie school obi wo ho ni obi enya entokwa so na onim tama mi wie school then na 1 year after so wie school de bia eniama foforo ba technology ba certain bia we are involved in industry no industry trends sana yebeka no and K3 was so and I ba steps to build your personal brand. Yes, the edikan know yourself. Identify your strength.
Wa ho den
sa nti won so obi ye bi na wo so person o ye de onua kono ye cause so feel say or excel what that side or the strength na ye to want so be kwa na wakopem na wasan wechi you see define your goals decide on what you want to achieve the so nya eniswade hu bi ewo honom identify your target audience you can last week to say example me man say ebia obi ebi mother care shop na ebia when your opportunity or see school wo ho onko bi o school nche ya so onko bi wo hospital but where ebia diaper ne sa niema na mu se na ye ka mother care so okobi wo school ho a je a parent dey nkwala be school no benya ba okobi wo hospital a ebi obi ba weighing obi ba antenatal na awaka na wontimi nkofie
obetimi aba ho abetito
like o target audience no unim when you start doing wo ho one and now the people you want to interact with and so target audience also wo honum yeba say build a professional online presence TikTok here be na ujina so bi Instagram ho na we ujina so bi develop your skill say na addition mekai tembia udi nyama foforo ka ho training bi na obekwa empo o personal experience no say etu wankasa ho fo wo business ne nyeme bi wo ha we hu eni nti wo hu eni no then na obetima dane na amana ye good to you and na say be boa wo personal self no nti develop o personal skill and build network and build relationships obi wo ha na ye we last week obi wo ha na me penipa me hunu bomb me ye ka say on besin kra ne omo ye
workshop
bia
Kobe crowd say workshop yeah me say sign me because I be person me ko nipem
but
in a network
network
okay
e bia na wo be shi obi so obema business idea one to win to yaka free inti patrol network any building of relationship
see e ko nipem no but udim say ma me say question udim say there are some brands aya omu kura omu so a ena omunya value nti o see a balance
nti unsa dey say know your strength e bia ne strength na e work for no e bia ne dey ne say wo be comment me comment section na say menkasa nti e bia no so ye brand on this soul e build ya ma no ko ye na hwe
obi enfi
obi won because ombe hu say wo kire ho e bia obeti my oba onye ndru ho ye
okay
wo time no hu hia pa nti ense na meka men show obi asa or sapa logo o comment here e bia how are you kru unfi wo it didn't take onu obeye who he or she is. It takes time. Also the wonim ne say wo de any year from between now till time when you akuna edru ho no the difference no when nya botire nsua hu na wo say me jump kono so wo be hu na what ya shufo
okay
e bia de wo preach no koso preach sa men koka asemende na wonti na fie na nye bibi movement
okay
say ye ka training ni mpo say ukọ na unimde you've done it nti say ebi say juma role bi kra na ye de be ma wa you qualify
based on that no mo be
and yen seek feedback won say ebi wo ha ye ka asema na ye be obi ka asema ebi na dream fa na ya fa no offensive and assume you okay kra wan ka ne ye na oka kra wan sere but ebia waka de wo so fa aba na wo mu no na fa bon ho ban fa tu wanamo nti ebia ask constructive feedback from mentors or colleagues empo supervisors nti you make sure say time bia ye seek feedback na time bia yen review comments and I say mechanism person make tree bi batemba wo de me kabrofo na comments and kofu be
ebe ka fa ye ho yen nwenwe ho okay
then we should yemfa no akomapem
okay
nti eno no steps to build personal branding. And then you ever share personal branding on social media. And tell me now, at times so far TikTok who scroll over TikToker. Me say me tie. Near me people ha matter TikToker. And your shop na me koye. Me da ho me hu bibia bia we emefe na ma order. Me hu ana moto dia bremen. The internet make can say me card dey so say uni shop cra ubetimi de online and I say side into na question here dey ubema nkofo again you know again yen share definition anything unique yen uniqueness na you best sell it to the whole world into yen bo modern said there
that's right
man ka so skill yen like me skill me ma ho dey and me pese me promote nti ebi wo ho a obeba obi bio so na ekutia obehu na ebia sebio with the example na me dey ebia na nikunu masem na wa betro on bio original mrs me so wo de tonwade wo de promote ho but original mrs na wo ya mrs how ya mrs the na ye fake the na your original nisa no the kutia bo ho no
okay nti ye ma say ye wo page I dey ton ade a ye ma sa page ne nya de ton no ne o ma ne nko a
ansamba na say ye betimi mpo a
Miriam producer Kasimbi. Or say me picture no quite different from me and Mabi.
Okay.
Because picture no me twi menim kakra. Me ko studio. Me ko twa picture.
We ko wasa polish.
Omo de nkekanwa bi aye omo proprom nsa ho wo ho. Nti ne sa no wo de salon ho a wo sa me picture yen de me ko twa selfie ejine sum bi me twa. Mama o professional picture sell me. Nti wo profile picture kra nti abnanka bo modia se wo ko studio. We twi nim kakra wo de once a year wo de sheda ye ne birthday. Na wasesa wo profile picture aye professional. Say jacket bi na wo be sha we de twa wo top pe. Like ma obi obehu wo picture no ehun say you are into business.
Yeah.
Oh, ebi wo ha.
Say ebu okura be ba ho.
Ebi wa ye twa picture kra yen paper camera nanim na yen sa print. Eno so a na ye de selling yen ho as brands. Emboa. Into pacho. Yen bo modern say ye be presenting yen ho in a nice way.
Yeah.
Na yen share valuable content.
Okay.
Hey, sa sem onu akona trendy. Minum say wo salad na nti say ono so ye bi enye wa enye wo nti content a wo de beto out there ebe boy promote wo unique self.
Okay.
Ni business a wo ye enye trends mean kan sa amount for ye nti me so me ye bi the only trend I bet my ye industry mu trend bi koso now so why ye bia and will be at here but senan we busiem and that the Lord carries those who own or kakabro funa bubo mo honom nti me pa show yen posti valuable content. Simple insights obi wo ha insight uni hwe kra kakra until my memory verse we didn't register one ko team because then be I check your status nti pa show there cho memory verse be esheko and once I was starting unim some fan kwe we ya don't start nti the ebia obi wo ha set reminder one alarm clock so nti ebi onim say every 12 p.m. So opposite ade nti reminder wo ho nti about 12 and now they are 2 nti won say 10 bia ebia Abena Ruthy music nti about 12 me hu Abena Ruthy music I want me status nti 10 bia udin wo mitrim a way of advertising yourself nti we have to be consistent and again engage with your audience. Obi wo ho a or beginner send up midi kan we hu say influencer bi wo ho a we posti bibi and na watro bibi on be responde on be feel ni akono ono so pesu suya pacho obi comment o poster sia bo money asa o be responde na tiam na enema bi so aba minim say minim school cry ye chewo obi be posti bibi on fa price into be surprised or say go to DM me who DM me who comment section me per comment section o say go to DM na chese wan kasa de wo ye no sa ida sa o pese o bu me de wo ye ne genuine anasa wo ye scammer nti nyama makeke de na wo befa ida sa wo ye scammer wo bu me anasa wo ye genuine to wa pick one
o post dia fa
prices ne to ho for you know you obia na price sensitive until you obia na be call obia pay so akọ final prices until o stress customer na answer what share customer forever.
That's right.
Or say say and as o post here now the price not so on bampo baby sir obi also what drop so baby sir fine.
So bisu wo ho aya na person ohwe nipa nanse wa bo price no because obi wo ho betumi abo price ke so bisu wo be bo price ke to ante no so
asemo nti wo bon say future o customers bi ekohia no say o meta atari a o share me fo me koto wa ha am so meto bi o ton so say meto ne 10 cedi o say na yebu me meto ne 50 cedi wo hu na so te nti pa cho Bomodia said the over posting ye genuine and ye transparent with it.
Okay.
Now say comment section eba comment section on the kofu baby sebia bomodia say obe yi o mano. Na wo so kofu comment section na wo so engage wo.
Okay.
Nti in a way won say I saw obi a shedwa no obi and baby san so na why they out on air saying wabemu to me book akra nti sa so na obi comment section as they are doing for you no
also so baka
ko wo de woni hwe kakra to be like he page nimpa and then post na like it encourage onu akono to do more
na atemeli sa oni near me pese me hunu na ma menum ne papa ne mpanyimfo ya omo no mo fa social media nton ade but omo de omo for entertainment ne ade emwa bi wo ha ebe ya mo because I mean of course age bia obetum you can make money they be a the KFC example say if you do ya so onya sa recipe ne dia ye nene enjoy no into know how can we help them, what can they do?
Me hu pia ebia omo ma Eba Outbeka, so this is my mother's business.
Okay.
Can you support? Say, ebia mefa do me market cause no mo be me. Me dwane a met me akọ menya baby akọ tete wo hono. Nti ofa ebia do me market na time bia ebia we started business 20 years ago. So who say nyema asesa se na make say time bia so we grow. Now we develop your skill. We share nyame pii free experience nti enu ntu wofo
okay
and as say no wo hu say na me kan no obi hye tokro mu ana ni dempo na wa twen phone si no so o se meton we nti wo say social media no emfa so wo so
okay
say obi kontokwa na so wa ko comment bi o say God will punish you me ke so ntokwa yenya wo dia entimpacho
social media na enya mfaso mo
because auto data ne boy din
nansen
abna peace nka se ne fi kakra na say onim de kakra pacho social media na aya montrol even say nya life na obekọ so a posti bibi
okay
we de posti follow na kakra TikTok atare me fo na wa like it na wo now I so esa wo puti pasho sa pepepe nti nyem penifo no ni yen kwala na munim social media no mumbo penifo no
okay
cause me hu pi or say this is my mother's business she started it 35 years ago and one no dey ahwe pasho bit my patronize no
okay you know now parents is so now I mean okay so here in Ghana back mind in ma so say ma me ne ma mpanyimu
but beautiful is your mother
thank you but why celebrity anisa what to them but why celebrity anisa because ne ba no showcase in there so there's a way I able to use social media so be ban fa so ama obia irrespective of age
and mind mama enka so to one this is here when all followers or audience ne deda e be easy amano na wa wunya start crowd and then they say me bet na ha no masa ma make can say it's never too late
okay
obi wo ho be show obi followers na ne ye machine o say D for dabbing into patcho D for dabbing no ne make pf ha no utu nine ba kwa fufuro be die echire na fufuro di echire na wedu destination but one start a crana and a deep for dabbing dey be on antemache
okay
into patcho and na yen connected with mentors colleagues
okay
unya network and connection na boa obi be ka a business idea be cry without knowing say be boa but na ho dream ho be ka say some ya ni pay yake e bia no cry na e will be true obi ka say I've been in business for 20 years na nto si ya na meton but obi be ka say na obi package na ebe ya kono unse bi antam na bi wo ha wo twa market ma wo nto so e fie pound na wo hu bia say
it's true
nto si ye fresh papa uja ho kra e oya
yeah
ebi akra na onya kono e hyehyɛ no wapepa ho kakra o de ebi a foam ni nsuo bi afofa na wa hohoro ho a dry no kama a hyehyɛ na kono so na kala no so aba ono ne strategy no
yeah
enti eyi woni nkofo relate wo industry no ebia na obi ama idea bi a wo so betim de aton bibi ana promote wo in a way a e do be kwetire
okay
then showcase your achievements no asamba ha
okay
send a medical kind no wo motive behind wo showcase na asem
okay
so
all right okay
what dream pomu ye to say na me chere
asume
se obi odi obeka say na me chere me ex bi say oja me nyame aye nyame aye na wo hu nti won say wo post ni nia send wrong signal because
okay
you wouldn't know when our battery break cause when mini wakum say me show boy we me show girl we nti wo fi wakum wade na we but so who showcase wo hu senior who promote wo brand most no so adwene different into wo ye no kosti so wo dem ho na wo de besen a patcho fa sen ho no
okay
anti abna
yenwene ansa
na we posti me no nya wo ha na say last month nkofu bi ko de da jail because we record bibi ebia sebio mampeni na ama ba ku bi kra me hwe ye video no wo court crowd or nin kofu be kontoka
yeah
one dream ho na posti ye into wo posti ye ekowie wo sei nya afi na wo be posti na wasa cheche ebehu abeg na wo de time bia ye hwe page a yetimi hu letters a watro apology a watro na I'm sorry for insulting this person na me and I'm kind me sign pacho answer na wo be posti no make sure say what dream ho
okay
empo wo posti ne trasa no wo de wo feel say wo kana mu na waye no no chine bi wo be kwa embassy embassy ho be request wo handle ana utimi wana uti ho utimi didi o mampeni atem utimi di MPB atem ana pa so nko yen kro so en ko pento kwa mayen nti pa cho men feel say na wo posti eyende ebia no ochine bi nyame pagya wedrum pempesu bi a unya ya nka obetwe asayende na so sana we posti then again keep learning
okay
until na adesua wo hoi enyewie the biomoka said the richest place ewo we are say yasamando unim nim dia ankofo de akɔhye fom unim enisuade hu bi ankofo de akɔhye ebia omunya akwanya kra ne wo mu hafa nka aye we break it through but enka se wo na me de me wie school mawo na afi na nkwalai wo ho afi na mepsan ko school biomako suade wakai bibi won
wakai
sorry no
that's just me living in Hamburg, everybody knows now. Observe mommy, why do people's parents go to school
and same you me auntie bia ne nkwala epa na cho say eye monko school biom because o ka chere ne nkwala ne say o ko university we university o ko ye ne masters o ye ne masters o so isi o person o ye lawyer
okay
because I say ne nkwala no baby a mami na edru no e say ne nkwala ne pa no ho no mo hwe speed na mami ne ko na
chese omo kwan ne bewa
so ne koto dwem ka so because wenyin wenyin say akaka kakra no we do pension so still
wow. So that's just to say that additionally there over to me kwa. So you know my answer I gave to her. I told her, say the day I had to go to the hospital to be put to bed, no that may my assignment. It meant that I was learning. No say really I say yes
and not for more
at the time. Now me say me PhD. At the time they are to back ben I best doing it.
Producer some member hype you. O say adesiano
and what that's is why Sompa Delight
Yeah.
so that people will get to know, because I am kofu bebre epe omu ignorance mutna, and you realize so say omu no so a omu sebi omu nsheda ensua nim no omu so no mu pekasa ni bebre into na fe no mu the wrong information na na to
abon na unime unim nintro no
into the yeah shawodin with addition yeah shaw kutupa and tree na beba tutupa
correct for tupa
I mean we are empowering you we are empowering you with knowledge so that also jina baby a ubie wa no kan sema obi abe hu say yes odbofoma ojeje
but antem na won say okay, yeah, imported every I think UK na me who say and Italy almost scan tomato beer. It was chopped, it was whole.
Yeah.
Na ye share at times so be come market and no ko share bucket back one 100 cedis. Obe san ko ye see 50 30. Na to kwesi wo bokina. Ye see ye nya tomatoes. Nti we obi esua de edu echi. Ehun say this is a problem. I can bring a solution. Me so mechanic near no this season na everywhere because who you so sad tomato now is the same. No taste. No taste different. Nothing. Me try say metri be there na metri be that ko na ma be kan wasem enti wo hu sadisua wo ho
a Germany for so be why
abo ye na echi omo German for won say adisua wo ho a say na ka KFC papa one try and say oh na me do pension na nche bia me bewu say na enkofu kan na we ase kra ye beje den ye beje bibi o ye beje bibi ye ma yesu bre enye kwa nti say na we wu aboa ye na age ye nkwa no pacho ye so ye de nimdie na odi ama ye no ebe pushi asele ye ho out aboa man no ti pacho ye nsua de adesua no there's no end to adesua.
That's right.
Say we be our industry no say the regulations for so bad and ka say na last time make say makeup no eyenku moisturizer so wa woni moisturizer na eyenku keke how the be fa wenim na nku a wo de be fa wenim ni ya che ho skill la wo de be fa wenim na wo say wo tie omo de omo kana wo be wie makeup na wa spray so no wo difference.
No? Okay.
I saw so foundation be one lay blocks be cement be ako baby. Wo but ninya yenku say na ye che yen kwalabre mi ye say na ye eno ano but ne twist be aba usua
okay
ebe boa wa wo o skill no faka ho ne hu say old plus new is equal to scabebre.
I see old plus new. It's equal to scabebre. And
ye beba common mistakes and I ye the better so
okay
common mistakes. We endorse honey ye into common mistakes to avoid no patcho being inconsistent.
Okay, so won to aso nye waso ye no okay.
So unim so won to asa mention say.
Okay.
And posting inappropriate content.
Ade ehun hia mfa ne awo ye no ho say dey awo kan ye no. Okay.
Ne enweche no we be who abeg. Ignoring feedbacks.
Okay. Na ya ka kire wo no.
Ya ka kire no. I know my right.
Tie na wan ye ho adwuma.
Because e be out feel so nua ko ne less. Oburu nua ko no so. Pacho. Na trying to imitate others.
Okay. Who should be there? Who should be asaso there?
Asaso.
Kafami Jono, Bo Jono.
And neglecting continuous learning.
Okay.
Say
when they ask what boning na tofa
sharp. Say
I mean whether it's on social media and now personal one. We na tofa and no abosu.
Tipa show say who neglect o continuous learning.
Okay.
Simple abrabo natural will be person classroom now beko. Na abrabo natural be pacho and tunchini.
Yeah.
Fa aba na usua wo mu no.
Okay.
Fa bo bra.
Ebusia for Auntie Melissa ache bebre. Yemrem na question bi wo ho aye bisa 0260 19 60 64 0260 19 60 65 bra. Now baby our question on personal branding 0260 19 60 64 0260 19 60 65. Bibi a say about personal branding bia bra na baby sana Auntie Melissa ewa ha mia manti meli Auntie Meli bo o last bit ne suma me because me who say would you summarize the whole thing into patrol some boss to be my
common mistakes to avoid make an trimmer instance so bonny right and from so be or why o fa eboa you feel so trim that way dear yem bomb and say
you be free
nti say yenye consistent
okay
and they will posty the next time I'll be posty 3 years about now we'll posty back so we posty inappropriate content
okay
the end found when I say the mrana a baby out in ukrono so equity I say men you na way you what usisi yenti what bebu o passa the charm amansan
hey treat baby
me no
Abisa 0260196064 bra also bet your personal branding so yaka social media day and before then no so no mama fa call baby pacho hello
yeah just let's good Sompa
aish ya mo akwaba
let's continue from what you are saying.
Yeah,
okay. And after your schooling, you have to see what is ahead of you.
That's right.
You have to plan, yeah. Auntie Abra.
Yes, sir.
Auntie Abra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm the one that's so mad. Although you mentioned the restriction listing. When I think the wireless on the last number,
okay.
I heard it. You can mention it.
Okay.
Fully.
Let me mention it again. It's 0531
0531
886 216.
886 216.
Yes, please. 216. 886 216.
216. Okay.
That's right.
886. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, later.
Thank you. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Yema Kwaba.
Oh, yeah, Auntie Abena, Auntie Agusia,
hey, nice.
I mean, papa.
Amen.
And you must hear, I know, Auntie Agusia, I just want to transfer my name. Mama, a mini room, and Auntie Denise, and then as a parent, a country, and an open quotation out the buyer would be the answer to him or say, as a papa, as a papa. Oh, so they do why I'm a piano assassin for a 2 and check.
That's right.
And working at 2 so Yami Stramo. Yes, as my more sponsors say, the best one.
Amen.
Bye.
Bye, that's it. 0260-1960-64 Auntie Melissa. Auntie. Yeah, into us now, Casa.
And na make us ignoring feedbacks. Yembo Modia say, the Kofu adventure and Kofu be mayeno. Ni pape moi, yenfa. But my ignore ne cry.
Okay.
Say, ya acknowledge say, yasum. Na say, ya befa. Ewo yen ho.
Okay.
No be ho. Wama comment and a feedback. Or so me da so menfa. No waka esi wedim. Se me pa cho. Oh me da so de waka de menfa. Ti pa cho.
Aso bi amini.
Pa cho kaninia.
All right, you have hello. Hey, just one day. Good afternoon now, Pomoy.
Pacho Yakubadum, Pacho
Adam, did any patapa?
Pacho Micha, Anthony Melisande.
Mejoso.
Yakupon, English, and Siranopa, and Round Missing Park.
Amen.
But then Anthony Melissa, actually, near my, the basically step to build a social media. And near more time, in fact, very good. That your car, I was there. By authority, I only send in such as the class preachers or the school preachers. I mean, mommy, classmates will say, think before you put. And no young boy of
that's right.
The open top to be here. I was thinking, let's show me. And yet, sometimes, you know. Because I need more information. They are not people who will be. They are not supposed to.
Can be.
We should be very careful.
That's right. That's
right. And
I
mean, also, I will come on more about when program now. Yeah. So it's a classmate for next tremo. Wow, true. You know, but more than spending. Then they are. Auntie Abena, Auntie Melissa, Omo Yombit na boy, they are listening. It's too forward to my ears. Wait a minute, meaning that this man because they are making 5 or 10 and call year man, sorry, me 8 to coin big Accra, 1 week from 23rd to 28th.
Okay.
I could see how the Accra this month. They won't buy a message. It is sure. They are sure in the pension because
the best why.
That's what any down to but your word, you know, any that word may commitment is what I know about the word.
Yo, Mate, just one day, Mate. As really, anti, not young koso.
Inti, Sanam Kai, we shouldn't ignore feedbacks. Yen way. Nay, try as much as possible. Say, imitate others. Obi identifying a strength and a skill. Or utumu say,
okay. Last call like, Uncle
utumu say, the only akunu yen, di buano. Also. Maybe our skill no crowd would the bar outer and now will value unique self no the bar outer won't say ube exceed you on your conede but someone to say one to boss say I identify one would buy ube pim because that is not you I say what could be I also mean use chopsticks. Patcho main track.
Cat like ground.
Well,
now I'm going to chopsticks.
But if you answer and come out, and you sue chopsticks. No, Ebia, now my practice kakra will fee, mensa toso. Ama Ebia cram, banku cram, met me the chat. But a mouse will be Eddie Didio online. And Kofo air like here, air churning gift. Now, Miss Macoy,
I see. All right, just one day beside and when nay indignation. Indignation. So INDIG, not nation. NATION. Indignation. Now and never impugn. So okay, IMPUGN. Impugn. Okay. All right. And Martha so kai say about the objectify last week Wednesday. And no omo busa word na omo antini na ya about momo. Ati Melissa, my enya will final words now the contact will social media handle na atuja na eja.
Okay.
Bina a bit.
Inti pacho they make kai chat one ne cry say we shouldn't neglect continuous learning.
Okay.
The bit ma boa we chumpon wo Abrabomi say you don't stop learning. Say be a wusuade. Say your classroom, say ya brabo a school na walk on a show be whatever it is. A lesson be wo where a so wusuya. It's a patcho yambo modi say time be a ye suade.
Okay.
Na ye my dream relax say what's in the beginning. I know I may you soon then patcho.
Obi o how I turn up dream more.
If
I come on phone cry say you soon no say me the text
the me ba shop or say ye momo mame
wa ukura phone momo no bi
ebi wo ho kram o de o be process na wie no say now the amane so no ambo ni pin na wa ye no habo
Oh, 0000. Fashion ho. All caso on to the what you.
And that's why scammers need to mean young for some line it.
Eba usuya ya. Obeka wanu atum. Na wa
challenge your brains. I know. Auntie Melissa, our social media handle.
Artistry by Quay. Quay near KWAY. Okay. Artistry by Quay. Say your TikTok. Say your Instagram. We should share more hamage in a whole 24/7.
We are consistent. Yeah, that's it, Papa. It's always a joy to sit with you. Now, yes, yeah, dear baby. Me, I'm to hear me, be papa. And you, but see, I do.